This was a competitive tender with MSV from June 2022. Together with our submissions team, we put together a proposal that would make sure we complied with the specification and project requirements, and then we were awarded the project in September 2022. The project had several key delivery partners. We worked extensively with MSV Driven International, who were the project designer, and we held regular meetings with them during the build-up to the project to make sure that we could overcome any challenges that we faced on the project. We undertook regular internal calls. That was to ensure that we had sufficient planning in place. That included the planning of aggregates, bitumen, logistics, and also the programme for delivery. We also undertook a LiDAR scan on the existing track surface to validate the design in partnership with Driven International. Cold milling of the existing track was carried out by our supply chain partner, utilising the TopCon smooth ride system. This is a variable depth cold milling system that allows us to plane variable depths from 0 to 80 mil on this project. The recycled asphalt planings went to a client tip on site. This allowed us to reduce the number of vehicle movements on site and also reduce our carbon saving. Once the track was planed and swept, it was inspected by ourselves and the designer. We then identified areas that needed patches completing on them due to the underlying condition. These patches were completed using our Super Sammy product. After the patches were completed, the track received a LiDAR scan and some compliance testing to ensure compliance with the specification. To lay the 10mm Super Pre-Mat Ultra product, it took us 5 days. To ensure we had continuous supply, we utilised 2 plants, Barden Hill and Tinsley. We laid all of the material in echelon, side by side, to ensure that we had no longitudinal joints. These pavers were fed by feeders to ensure a continuous supply and that the pavers did not stop. We also used joint heaters to ensure that the longitudinal joint is of a high quality. The surface course used was our long-standing racetrack asphalt Super Pre-Mat Ultra. The mix design was specifically chosen to meet the very tight specification set out by MSV. It utilised a blend of our high-quality 65 PSV and 60 PSV aggregates, together with a high-performance bitumen that were trialled off-site and on-site for compliance. After completion of the surfacing of the track, extensive testing and scanning was undertaken to ensure compliance with design. Following this, the track markings were put down so it was ready for handover. The most important factor on this project was to have a consistent and passionate approach to quality. We did this by embracing existing technology and also bringing new technologies to the table that contributed to the end quality of the product. I'm over the moon with the end product that we delivered as a Surfacing Solutions team. It takes great relationships to build projects of this size. Thank you to the Surfacing Solutions team that made this project a success, and I look forward to projects of this nature in the future.